Are you ready to enter the magical world of the ocean's precious gems? Imagine the journey of a lobster, from the moment it is caught in the deep blue water to the moment it reaches your dinner table. Today, we take you through the journey, from the challenging work at sea to the delicate processing at the factory. This is not just a story about lobsters, but also a story about hard work and passion to bring the taste of the ocean to the world. Don't look away, because the best things are waiting for you. In this exciting episode, the journey begins at sea with commercial lobster fishing. Traps, also known as lobster cages, are strategically placed by fishermen on the ocean floor. Inside each trap, bait such as fish heads or seafood is used to attract lobsters. After setting the trap, the fisherman will wait a certain amount of time to lure the lobsters in. It is exciting when the traps are pulled up full of lobsters. Not all lobsters make it to market right away. To ensure sustainability, the fishing crew adheres to strict size regulations. Each lobster is carefully measured to ensure they meet legal size standards. Those that are too small or females carrying eggs are tagged and released back into the ocean to conserve natural resources. The lobsters that pass the test are put into special containers on board the ship to keep them alive and fresh until the ship reaches port. Once the ship reaches shore, the lobsters are carefully transported to seafood markets or processing plants. And from there, a whole new phase of their journey begins. At the processing plant, the lobsters are taken to an industrial boiling chamber. This is a critical step to ensure that each lobster is thoroughly cooked. The boiling process not only removes the salty taste, but also kills any potential bacteria, ensuring a safe and hygienic product. Once cooked, the lobsters are immediately transferred to a cold water tank to maintain freshness and texture. Next, the skilled workers begin to peel the lobsters, each step performed with great skill. First, they cut off the lobster's claws, then split the shell, revealing the delicious meat inside. Lobster claws are carefully processed to extract all the meat inside without wasting any part. Lobster tails are also separated and classified by length and weight to meet market demand. After sorting, the lobster meat is packaged. Workers carefully place each portion of meat into cardboard boxes, ensuring maximum freshness. The lobster is then flash frozen, preserving its natural flavor and premium quality. Thanks to this process, the product can be preserved for a long time, convenient for consumers. Frozen lobster tails are packaged by weight, ranging from 85 grams to over 454 grams each. Larger tails, sometimes weighing up to half a kilogram, are often highly sought after. Lobster claws are also processed and packaged separately to preserve flavor and quality. Lobster claws are hand-packed into polyethylene bags by skilled workers, ensuring no variation in weight. To achieve absolute precision, they use modern weighing machines because for them, each customer is as important as the factory itself. Once the weighing process is complete, the lobster packages are vacuum sealed to remove all air from the product. This process not only helps maintain freshness, but also protects the excellent quality of the lobster claws during transportation. Once the air is completely removed, the vacuum-sealed packages are ready for distribution to customers, ensuring the product remains fresh and intact until it reaches its destination. Next, we will explore how live lobsters are packaged at the factory. First, workers gently drop the lobsters into salt water for immediate inspection. The lobsters' body temperatures are carefully measured to determine whether they are clean and alive. The live lobsters are then transferred to an automated sorting line where they are precisely sorted by size. Here, each lobster is carefully inspected for signs of damage or disease. Only healthy lobsters are selected and placed in specially designed containers. These containers are lined with ice packs to keep the lobsters fresh. The ice pack system also helps kill any organisms inside, ensuring a safe and sanitary storage environment. Once completed, the containers are stacked and stored in a tightly controlled environment, ready for shipment to major markets around the world. In 2021, Canada, UAE, USA, Ireland, and Denmark were the world's top lobster importers. Canada led the way with exports of $536 million, followed by the USA with $289 million and the UAE with $11.4 million. The UAE's significant rise in the market reflects the growing demand for this premium seafood. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the processing and packaging of lobsters. Every step, from catching to cooking, is done with care, expertise, and sustainable practices. Subscribe to our channel to continue exploring the wonders of the culinary world. Until your next adventure, stay curious and enjoy the wonderful flavors of the sea.